Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw the Giganotosaurus. Now, to start off with this, we want to begin with the eye. So starting right here, I'm going to add just a small circle shape for an eye. Then I'm going to add a little curved line that just goes right around the front of the eye. Then starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve around it for just a little eye ridge. And then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up, and then back down again for the snout. Then starting here, I'm just going to kind of curve this around. It's just going to kind of come around here, kind of go up and down a little bit. And then starting back here, I'm just going to kind of curve down and up, and then back down again. Then for the jaw, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down, and then I'm just going to kind of curve it up to here. And then I'm going to start right underneath that line, and I'm just going to kind of curve this up and then around, just kind of form out the shape of the jaw. Now for the head, I'm going to start right up here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's going to kind of curve up and then down like this. Then I'm going to curve back up, down again. And then for the tail, I'm just going to kind of curve it up, make it kind of wavy up here, just so we can kind of fit everything in. And then I'm going to start really close up here, and then I'm just going to kind of keep it real skinny, and then as I get closer towards the body, I'm going to make it wider and wider. Now, starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. And then he kind of has arms like the T-Rex, but instead of just 2 claws, he actually has 3. So I'm going to start here and just draw a line that's going to kind of curve down, and then it's going to go back out. And then I'm just going to add one little curved line for one claw, and then another one here, and then one more right here. Then I'm just going to kind of curve this up for the hand, and then I'm just going to kind of bring this arm back up here. Then I'm going to put another one here, just kind of curve out and then in and then out. I'm just going to make one little claw here, and then I'm going to put another one there, just kind of curve this back up towards the body. And then I'll put one small one right there. Then starting here, I'm just going to kind of curve this back up towards the body. Then starting up here for the leg, I'm going to make a line. It's just going to kind of curve down, and it's going to kind of go to here and then curve down. Then I'm going to kind of take this and then just kind of curve it down and turn it into like a toe there. Then right here, I'm going to draw another one. It's just going to kind of come down, kind of curve around and up. Then I'm just going to curve this up and kind of go in at an angle. Then I'm going to curve it in here. And then I'm just going to kind of curve this back around here. Then I want the other leg kind of be back here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start right about here and draw a line. It's going to kind of curve out and down. Make a line that's just going to kind of curve down for one of the toes. Going to add another smaller one here. And then as I go up, I'm going to add another small little dewclaw right there. Then just go up, in, and then curve up to here. Then right here, I'm just going to add a little line that goes down, just to kind of show where that other toe is, and then I'm just going to add some claws onto here. Okay, so now that we have our Gigantosaurus, we need to, all drawn out, we need to add some of the different details on here. So, starting right here, I'm just going to add a little curved line just to kind of show where the mouth is. And then, of course, we've got to add those big, sharp teeth in his mouth, just kind of like curve them back just a little bit. Same thing on the bottom, just kind of curve them around. You're going to add a little curved line right here for the nose, and then just like another little curved line around it. Then there are a lot of different variations of this. I'm just going to give him some of these like little spikes on his back. So as I'm doing this, I'm almost just kind of making like really small little shark fins on here that just kind of curve back. And I'm just kind of putting these all along here. They're going to get a little bit bigger as they get towards the top of his back. And then as they get towards the tail, they're just going to start getting a little bit smaller. So just going to kind of put these all along here and then just get them smaller and smaller as you get towards the end of the tail. I'm going to add a little curved line right here just to kind of show that the tail is kind of moving back. Right around here, I'm just going to add some of these little curved lines, and this is just to show that the neck has like some different wrinkles and stuff on it. And you can see I'm kind of picking up my marker just so I can kind of leave some of these little kind of broken lines, just kind of gives it a little bit more of a realistic look. I'm going to add another little curved line right around here. I'm going to add a little bit of like a broken line along the top and the bottom of the mouth, kind of show where like the lips would be. Little kind of line right around here on the mouth. And then I'm going to add another little kind of broken line right around there. I'm also going to kind of continue some of these little spikes right onto the head. I'm going to kind of curve some of these lines and just add some more little broken lines just to kind of see where the legs are kind of connected and the skin's kind of wrinkled. Add an extra little line or two on here. And then I'm going to add a couple little curved lines around here. I'm going to add an extra little broken line right around here, and then another one that's just going to kind of go down the tail. Add kind of like a little circle shape, kind of where the knee would be. And then I'm going to add a couple little kind of curved lines around here for the back of the neck. And then just a couple little more lines around here. I'm going to add just a few kind of broken curved lines just to kind of show where like there's some texture on the body. And then I'm going to add another little kind of broken line right down the tail. And then a couple more little lines right around here. Add some just little wrinkle lines around the toes. Just kind of make it look like the claws are sitting in there. Another one on the dewclaw here. And then just a couple little extra lines on the legs here, just for some details. A little line on the arm. Kind of add some little claws onto here. Going to add just a couple little detail lines right around here. And then I'm just going to add a couple little lines kind of curving down the back of our Gigantosaurus. Just kind of give it a little bit more detail. And I'm just going to kind of put these going all the way down here. A couple more lines on the legs. And I'm just going to put a couple little kind of long broken lines right around the tail, just to kind of show that it's got some curvature to it. And then just a couple more little lines around the face here, just give a little pupil in there for the eye. A couple little lines right around here, just to add some little details. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Gigantosaurus. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.